Especially because anyway.
But he's also starting to forge a closer relationship with China, a country that's propped him up for. And it looks like
I'm still take my place. Want you to know I still take it. All the years that you mean I've been in the water. She mommy, I was in on each other walked in.
And the United States, they have said
Trouble.
see reports that, in fact, the U.S. and South Korea canceled part of this military exercise involving B-52.
Trouble. You can be the peanut butter to my jelly. You can be the captain, I can be the first. You can be the cheese, I can be the first. I can see you when you trouble walked in. Shame on me, you've never been. Now I'm on the corner. Trouble.
I was very struck in the South that President Trump said maybe the meeting will happen, maybe it won't. It won't is a big part in my mind because the President of the United States cannot go to Singapore and come back empty-handed. There has to be more substance than that.
You can't need to do that.
No, I think it's unthinkable. It would be described as a monumental political failure of Trump.
All right, the other thing, Kim, that's really fascinating here is that North Koreans really zeroed in on the national security.